How to do the
Yo, what up,
Cleveland
TikTok
Shuffle
world? This your
or
boy, Big
Rebirth of the
Mucci,
Shuffle.
baby. Yo, check this out. I'm hitting y'all with another Big Mucci slide dance of the day. Yo, dig this. Today we're going to be doing the Cleveland Shuffle, a.k.a. Rebirth of the Shuffle. I'll show y'all how the dance go, and then we're going to go ahead and rock out. So if y'all like these videos, make sure y'all follow me. Make sure y'all like it. Make sure y'all leave a comment, and make sure y'all share it. Let's go. First you're going to do, you're going to step right, left, right, left. Check it out. Right, left, right, left. From there, it's a half turn, but you got to step to your right. Step over. Don't step up. Step over. Step over. Bring it back. Like that. Let's do it from the beginning. Right, left, right, left. Step, turn. Bring it back. Bam. From there, it's right over left, bring it back, click heels. Left over right, bring it back, click heels. With your right foot. 1, 2, 3, click heels. 1, 2, 3, click heels. Let's do it from the beginning. Right, left, step, turn. Bring it back. Right over left. 1, 2, 3, click heels. 1, 2, 3, click heels. Here go a good part for you. It's called a kick, kick, slide, kick, kick, slide. Hop up, hop back. Here we go. With your right foot. Kick, kick, slide. Your right. Kick, kick, slide. Turn, hop up, hop back. Let's do it from the beginning. Right, left. Step over. Bring it back. Right over left, bring it back. Left over right, bring it back. Kick, kick, slide. Kick, kick, slide, turn. Hop up, hop back. This is the last part. It's a 4-hop turn. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Whole dance.
Big Mucci, baby. Y'all know what it is. Here we go, now step to your right, step to your left, now step to your right, step to your left, now step with it, turn, bring it on back, now step with it, turn, like that, now right over left, bring it back, click heels, now left over right, bring it back, click heels, now kick, now swerve to your right, now kick, now turn to your left, hop up with it, hop back with it, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up.